Wow, what a beautiful Corvette. This is really a special car. I was with the fellow that owns this the day he bought it, and David is meticulous in his restorations. It is exactly the way they came off the assembly line. Here he is right here, David. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Man, this thing is looking fantastic.
It's coming along nice. It is a 1958 big brake Fuelie Roadster. This particular car came with special ducting system that goes all the way to the rear brakes and cools the rear brakes, as well as ceramic brake drums, which were used on airplanes. They made 144 of the big brake Fuelies,
okay.
And of the 144, less than half of them remain because they were raced. Everything on this car is original. I'm in the process of getting the Duntov certification, which is the highest award you can get on a restored Corvette.
Their goal is to keep these cars exactly the way they came off the assembly line. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So no deviation whatsoever. Most of the time when we're restoring cars, we think of making them as nice and as perfect as possible, but that's not the way they came off the assembly line. And therefore, many of the cars you see today are over-restored.
I'll show you some of that. If you look at the engine, you'll see overspray up through onto the intake.
Intake, I see that. You clean that off, you lose points because they came out of the factory with overspray on them.
They also used a lot of excess glue. In and around here, if you look, you'll see gobs of the yellow.
Just like they slathered it on.
They lathered it on there, and if you clean that up, you'll lose judging points.
Wow, it's meticulous restoration. You had said that you were going to try and take it to the highest level you could possibly get, and it looks like you're well on your way.
I'm getting there.
David, thanks a million for bringing this out.